Hey, you get away from there. It's so nice out.
We'll grab these birds of food.
Alright.
Oh, I ain't gotta worry about it. Right? Right?
Don't go chasing after your dad. Stay with me. Wanna sit down? Wanna sit down with mommy? Keep your helmet on. Now she was about to go upstairs and chase you. My cutie pie. Yeah, they tore those peanuts up.
Sparrows?
No, there was barely any sparrows back here. Yeah, it was a lot of the finches,
House finches?
the house finches, and those raspberry finches,
Yeah.
and the woodpeckers.
With their GBDs?
Not really. I seen like 3.
Yeah.
They're